Okay, now cow busted milk. Cow busted milk.
I want to poke it with a stick. Stand back.
Do it again.
I don't think I should, honey. Let's try one more time.
Whoa.
Yeah,
Whoa.
I think it's spent.
It's really orange and red mixed.
Yeah.
Can I go over there now?
No, baby.
Is it going to catch big or what?
Well, it's probably done, but don't get too close to it. That's kind of the rule.